Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Remodeling your home or adding an extension is a major investment. Done right, it can completely transform your everyday living experience and boost your property's value. But without careful planning, it's easy to overspend or end up with a project that doesn't truly improve your home. In today's video, I'll share the 16 proven tips to maximize your return on remodeling and home additions, along with real examples. 1. Plan for how you'll use the space. Before you start, think about your daily needs. For example, if you're remodeling your kitchen, consider whether you need a large island for family gatherings, extra pantry space for bulk storage, or outlets for modern appliances. A valuable remodel is one that solves real problems you face every day. 2. Set a realistic budget with a cushion. Many homeowners underestimate costs. If your project is estimated at $100,000, set aside an extra $10,000 to $15,000. Unexpected issues often come up during renovations or additions. For example, you might discover outdated electrical wiring that needs replacing, corroded plumbing behind the walls, or structural elements that require reinforcement. Sometimes the county may also require upgrades to meet current building codes. Having that budget cushion lets you handle surprises without financial stress or project delays. 3. Focus on high-value projects. Some projects naturally bring better returns. Kitchens and bathrooms typically return 60 to 80% of the investment, while a well-designed addition can boost resale even more. For instance, a master suite addition often makes a home much more attractive to buyers. 4. Prioritize smart space planning. Getting your layout and floor plan right is one of the most important steps in any remodel or addition. A beautiful finish won't matter if the space doesn't function for your lifestyle. Tips for homeowners. Think daily use. Plan furniture, appliance placement, and traffic flow. Plan for the future. Consider family growth or resale value. Right room sizes. Bedrooms at least 10 by 10 feet. Master 14 by 16 feet. Bathrooms 5 by 8 feet minimum. Kitchens 10 by 12 feet. Proper sizing avoids cramped, uncomfortable spaces. Hire an architect if unsure. Their expertise can prevent costly mistakes and make your space work perfectly. Common mistakes: poor traffic flow, not enough storage, overcrowding rooms, or making rooms too small. Smart space planning saves money, reduces stress, and ensures your remodel or addition is functional and comfortable. 5. Maximize natural light. Natural light makes spaces feel larger and more inviting. Adding skylights in a family room addition or installing French doors to a backyard patio can instantly raise appeal and value. Buyers often pay more for bright, open spaces. 6. Don't over-customize. Unique design choices, like a built-in aquarium wall or bright red cabinets, might suit your taste but hurt resale. Instead, choose neutral, timeless finishes and personalize with furniture or decor. For example, white kitchen cabinets with a custom backsplash are more marketable than a neon-colored kitchen. 7. Think energy efficiency. Upgrading insulation, windows, and HVAC during your remodel pays back every month in lower energy bills. For example, Energy Star windows can save hundreds of dollars a year while boosting resale value. Buyers love homes with lower operating costs. 8. Add functional storage. More storage equals more value. A new addition is the perfect time to add walk-in closets, mudrooms, or built-in shelving. For example, a homeowner who added a mudroom with cubbies and cabinets made their home both more practical and appealing to families. 9. Avoid overbuilding for the neighborhood. Adding 2,000 square feet to a 1,200 square foot house in a modest neighborhood might not pay off. For instance, if surrounding homes sell for $500,000, investing $300,000 into your remodel could overshoot the local market. Always check neighborhood values first. 10. Work with experienced professionals. Hiring the cheapest contractor often leads to costly mistakes. A skilled contractor will handle permits, inspections, and quality construction. Examples: a homeowner hired a cheap builder for a bathroom remodel, but the tiles were uneven and the shower leaked, costing thousands to fix. A family chose a low-cost contractor for a deck, but the wood wasn't installed correctly and it had to be rebuilt. Someone saved money on a basement renovation, but poor wiring caused electrical problems that needed expensive repairs. 11th, check local zoning and setback rules early. Many homeowners plan their dream addition only to discover it can't be built as designed because of local rules. For example, Arlington, Virginia requires certain setbacks from streets and neighboring properties. Checking these rules early saves you time, money, and frustration. Sometimes, even if your addition fits within setbacks, underground pipes or utility lines can still limit what you can build. 12. Consider long-term needs. Think beyond today. If you're planning to stay in your home, design with the future in mind. For example, a homeowner who installed a home office on the main floor used it for remote work now, and later it could serve as a bedroom if needed. 13. Plan for maintenance. When remodeling, think about future maintenance. That fancy material or design might look great now, but if it's hard to clean or needs constant repairs, it can become a headache. For example, choosing durable, low-maintenance flooring or easy-to-clean countertops will save you time, money, and stress in the long run. A smart remodel isn't just about looks. It's about keeping your home practical and easy to care for. 14. Prioritize flow and layout. An addition should feel connected, not separate. For example, instead of adding a family room through a narrow doorway, widen the opening to create an open flow. A house that feels seamless is always more valuable than one that feels chopped up. 15. Invest in quality materials where it matters. Choose durable materials in high-use areas. Hardwood floors in living spaces or quartz countertops in kitchens outlast cheaper alternatives. For example, laminate counters might save money up front, but won't last nearly as long as stone. 16. Don't rush when choosing finishes. Paint colors, flooring, and fixtures set the tone of your remodel. Take your time making decisions. For example, a family chose a bright kitchen countertop in a hurry, but it didn't match their cabinets, so they had to replace it soon after, adding unnecessary cost and stress. And that wraps up. That's all 16 tips to make your remodel or addition a success. Remember, smart planning, the right budget, and choosing quality where it matters most can save you stress, money, and ensure your home is both functional and valuable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more expert advice on home remodeling and design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.